All right, it is May 15th, A-0705. So we've come through and we have started taking some of the demolition of the exterior dock seals. So we've got a couple of small areas. The concrete has spalled out. We're gonna have to do some repairs here. Years of tractor trailers hitting has really just done its course. So it's just part of it, what it is. You can see that it is pretty prevalent on every door. In some way, shape, or form, it's either happened or going to happen. So we'll get this taken care of. Walk up inside here, take a peek. This has been a pretty busy weekend here for the guys. Power washing, floor cleaning. We had to do an initial floor clean. We'll end up doing it again. So we have our demolition taken care of. We have our walls. You can really see this now. If you watched last week's video, that wall, the guy said it was just pouring black off of it. So our overhead doors, our dock seals are here. Our floors are cleaned from the machine. Next week, we are going to be doing lights, paint in the warehouse, and we are going to have crews here to do nothing but prep the drywall offices. After next week, we'll be doing interior office ACT and the lights in there. We'll start looking at painting, and by then our floor should be in, and we'll go after that. So we're probably about a month and a quarter out from finishing. Take a peek in this. ¿Qué pasa?
What's up?
How's it going, bud?
Look.
So the guys are doing all drywall. This will be 2 weeks of continuous drywall finishing and getting this ready for paint. And that's what we look like for the 15th. We'll see you all in the next couple weeks.